In the last lecture, we have seen the assessment phase of the information security process. Now the second phase is policy. So policies and procedures are the next step following the assessment, and it is the most important phase. It defines the expected state of the security for the organization and will also define the work to be performed during the implementation. So the following policies and procedures should be created. Information policies means it defines which information is important, which is critical information, which is sensitive information, how this sensitive information should be handled, how it is stored, how it is transmitted, how it is destroyed. Okay, then security policy defines the technical controls required on a various computer system. Then use policy provides the company policies with regard to the appropriate use of that policy by the system. Then backup policy identifies how backup is taken, where that backup is stored, and how often that is taken. Then account management procedures define the steps when new user is added into the system as well as when the user is removed from the system. Then incident handling procedure, if suppose a certain incident is occurred in the organization, so how that incident is handled. Then disaster recovery plan, if there is some disaster happened in the organization, then how will be recovered. So first step in policies and procedures is choosing the order of policies to develop. So we have seen this number of policies. So here we have to choose the order, means which policy should be created first, which policy should be created after that, means the sequence of the policies that is to be developed. Then updating existing policies, if policies and procedures are already exist, then it is a good thing, but it is necessary to update the existing policies so that we can implement our security plan very effectively and efficiently. So it is necessary to update the existing policies. So this is in the phase of the policies. The next step after the policy is implementation, that should be taken in the next lecture.